We would like to introduce the demo machine for transport using motion control software SWM-G. Please look at the demo video. In this demonstration, the 5 number workpieces are lined up on the screen. After being lined up, the 5 workpieces are piled in order on the laminate from 1 to 5. This demo machine is modeled on die bonder equipment used in semiconductor manufacturing. In this video, we would like to introduce the system configuration, its related functions, and any supplementary information regarding the demo machine. First, the system configuration. This demo machine is equipped with a 5-axis sub-motor with a network that uses CC-Link ITSN for the sub-motor and remote I/O, and a camera that uses Ethernet. The 5 axes are X and Y1, Y2, Z, and theta in gantry control. Motion control software SWM-G can perform motion control and network control by simply installing the software to an industrial PC. The included real-time OS RTX64 enables the expansion of real-time operations on the industrial PC, enabling support for a drive control system that supports CC-Link ITSN and EtherCAT. In addition, user API library required for motion control to apply motion control such as positioning and synchronous control to various equipment. Moreover, user network control to connect device stations such as remote I/Os, as well as IP communication supported devices. There are 3 functions in this demo machine that we would like to introduce. The first one is a control device built with a single industrial PC. This demo machine allows you to build a complete control device, including image processing with only one industrial PC. The second function is simple programming with an extensive API library. This function obtains image data, enabling position compensation using the SWM-G API. The third function is camera link through an API library. This function allows you to control smoothly without interaction. We will now provide more details to each of these functions. The first function here allows sub-amplifier and remote I/O synchronous control in real time, as well as image processing requiring only one industrial PC. The second function uses the API library to enable easy access to motion control software SWM-G, allowing for simple programming without concern for required hardware, as well as obtaining image data and motor information, and performing position compensation based on that data. In the user application created for this demo machine, the orange graph line shows the change of the z-axis feedback torque value. We can see that it is placed at the point it exceeds 15% of the rated torque, which is set as the threshold. Also, the position and feedback values are displayed in real time. We can also see the camera's positions for attaching and detection are also obtained and displayed. The third function in this demonstration detects the position of a workpiece using the vision sensor during pick and place, and then the SWM-G API library compensates any position errors. First, the image processing software RTX64 Vision detects the position errors of X, Y, and theta. Then, it displays the amount of error value of X, Y, and theta shown in the red box. Then, the theta axis is compensated based on the feedback position obtained during the continuous operation. This compensation is also performed for the X and Y axis. This slide displays a list of API library items used in the demo machine. This API library allows programming to be done easily from obtaining camera image data to compensating the position of workpieces. Lastly, in addition to the information provided on the previous slide, we would also like to introduce to you our free of charge 90-day temporary license. This 90-day license will allow you to use motion control software SWM-G to try it out. No dongle license is required, and you can control up to 128 axes. For those interested in trying out this software, please search for Mitsubishi Electric's SWM-G download, and download and install SWM-G from the Mitsubishi Electric Factory Automation Global website. Once you have done that, obtain a computer ID by sending us an email. For more information, contact your local sales office.